What is up, guys, and welcome back to the channel, and also welcome to my, well, not so pretty backyard. Unfortunately, the heat wave that we had recently, beginning of the month, did a number on it. I didn't really keep up on a good watering schedule, and I kind of let the crabgrass get out of hand, just because when I was going to spray it, it happened to be hot, and well, like I said, I just let it get out of hand. But you know, we're gonna try to fix that somewhat today. We're gonna overseed. I'm using the Jonathan Green Black Beauty Original. I didn't get any more pelletized lime and probably needed it, but I'll just put down what I got. And then this is just a bucket of some starter fertilizer that I had sitting around from Tractor Supply. So we're gonna go ahead and use that today. And we are gonna be spreading everything with the Meyer Hot Shot HD. I picked this up at a auction quite a few years ago, and I've just recently started using it. And so I've done the calculations to figure out what setting I need to put all my products on. So without further ado, let's get started, because I'm on a little bit of a time constraint. It's getting ready to get dark, and we got a bunch of rain coming tomorrow, so I figured that'd be perfect for getting a seed down as well. So let's go. So the lime, they want the spreader to be 2/3 open, so I'm just gonna kind of guess on that. Like I said, if I don't have enough, I don't have enough. The reason I put lime down in the backyard here all the time is because this is the dog yard, so I figured the lime will help neutralize the dog urine. So I'm just gonna spread the lime in kind of this worst area, I think. Alright, so next I'm going to go ahead and put the fertilizer down. Alright, so this stuff is a little damp and has a bunch of clumps, so it's not spreading too well, but I'm just gonna, it's my own yard, so I'm just gonna let it be. Alright, next is the grass seed. Spreader setting that I have written down says wide open. I'm not so sure about that, so we'll see what happens. Alright guys, it's getting dark. I had just barely enough seed. That little corner up there might be a little thin, but that's okay. It's my own backyard, so quite frankly, it is what it is. So anyways, I hope you enjoyed that quick little video. Please drop me a comment below, let me know what you think. Subscribe if you haven't already. Smash the thumbs up button. Don't forget to share the videos, please. And of course, we're gonna catch you guys on the next one. Peace.